Tell your friend to say hi to my screen recorder. Zach. Hi. I'm Milo, the policeman. What, everybody? We're looking for bad guys. Ooh. Right. Yes, sir. Oh, here. Wait, here? Yeah. I mean, what? I mean, where? Oh no. Let's go get our gun. Boom, 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 da boom, 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 da doom, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, sus, I will sneak and get a juice box. What? Ah! That's suspicious car. This is suspicious. Suspicious car. Shoot. Suspicious car. Doom. Okay, suspicious. That taxi's suspicious. I stolen the ice cream. Oh yeah, suspicious. At the chat. Look at the chat. Who is that? Sorry. It's a girl who's. I got 19%. Didn't shoot her. Mom. Who's that? Okay, so I'm in a crate cam, ready to go. And I'm just gonna get up, and I'm gonna get up. Okay, I quit my police job because no bad guys in the server now. So then I will restart my character. Boom! I don't need my vacuum. There we go. Delete my vacuum. Okay, I will get some ice cream. That looks suspicious. I'm gonna get an ice cream truck. So let me get my ice cream. I don't even see an ice cream truck. Where is an ice cream? Ice cream. Yay! I want this car. This is up. Yahoo! AFK. Okay, I'm gonna say BRB. Where R? Uppercase B. BRB. Boom. Down. BRB. I'm zooming. Okay, here's an ice cream. And I spawn in an ice cream truck when I'm doing AFK with BRB. Do 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 do. So let me get some ice cream people at the spawn. Showdown. Opening up. Nobody's coming at a spawn, so blue, like blue because I like it. Nobody's getting ice cream from my ice cream truck. That's weird. Okay, okay. How long they're coming? Do 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 do. Nobody wants ice cream. Oh, here, this lady. Hi. Up. Really? I'm gonna be at a home. Wait, this lady wants to be in my, be with me. So, whoa! That is so good. Okay, I'm gonna spawn in my house. I don't want to be near it. Not this house. But do you know the password? Yes, I do. The zombie bunker. Okay. So then I'm going to get the zombie bunker, but I don't want to. Okay, let me get the dum. Do my dum. Do some num. If you see next to the plug house, that's Mr. Brookhaven's house. It's Mr. Brookhaven himself. Nobody wants ice cream here, so then I will give him attention. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yes. Right. Other side. Just standing there. Do you want some bubblegum ice cream? Here we go. Boom. Do you want some bubblegum? Oh, you want bubblegum? Okay, bye. Oh, you want some money? You can give me money. Whatever time you want. Boom. I got robbed money. This looks like robbed money if you're in a bank. That's weird. Why? But I don't know. That's weird. So I'm parking right over here to get ice cream attention. Okay, I will rob someone's house. Let me see if there's. Wait, this looks like Mr. Brookhaven house, but I don't even know. Wait, is that straight to Mr. Brookhaven? Okay. I mean next to the bakery. Next to the bakery. That's where the okay, I'm gonna tow this car for not in safe parking. Boom, 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 boom. Park where? Whoa, Is it unlocked? Because this looks like unlocked. Yep, because that's suspicious. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Boom, up, boom. You turn, you turn, you turn, you turn, you turn. Then we go slowly, but actually. Oh no. Wait, I did it. Wait, why is it slips? That's weird. Oh. The vacant place. Okay. What? Get. I mean, kitty sprinkle less 99 get package. Okay. Next day. Okay. Ice cream. I said yes. Maybe it's a kid who was. Now I have that money. I'm done with the corn. Then put that money in there. Then I go and I'm a 20. It'll move up. So then okay. So then I'm going. Wait, what? Someone despawned it. Okay, now I'm going to get an ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Nothing's impossible. Yeah, I can do things when it's you. I'll be hiding right here and shrink myself down as possible so they don't even see me. Just here. The vacant house, yes. Wait, what? Is it crazy work? Okay, now it's garbage, so then I will get the garbage car. Boom, my garbage of my job today. I walk from camp and come again. Okay. I will get my stuff, so I'm backing out. This disappears. Bang, bang. Okay, vacant. Can I show you something, guys? I will U-turn here, so let me U-turn here. And we speed down the highway. I'm speeding to the Lake Madison. So I'm driving down the pool. Driving down Lake Madison. Also, you can take your car into the escalator. So this is weird. I don't know why you can do that in this game. Now they added a new thing. Do you see this water slide right here? And you can take your car with it. So then I need to take a small car to take it. So then I will take this car. Look how it is! It's taken the car. Whoa, no. Okay, it's okay. Just go down the slide. Boom. Ow! That hurted me. Okay. Whoa, that drifted. I need to use a car, so that will work. I need to use a small car. Okay, let me correctly write. Okay. You need to use a motorcycle then, so despawn that car and get my motorcycle. So then it's a short, so then it will take the elevator to the motorcycle. So then I will. Okay, this has to work. Wait, or it's just turning back. Okay, I will try it backwards, so be careful. Okay, so I'm just gonna, okay, Nando blocks, okay. Sweet and tacos. Then you get your, not scooter, skateboard. Then you jump? You're so high. That's so weird in this game. Boom! Ow. Ow. Kill emote. Ow. How about a kill emote? Does it even take you? What the hell? Boom. How about a wheelchair? Boom! Whoa! That is so cool. Ow. Let me take that car in the mountain. So then I will, you know what I'm gonna do, and drive it up on the elevator. So drive down the elevator. Whoa! Don't do that. Okay. Whoa. That's weird. Whoa, this is drifty. Try to get a skateboard. No. Whoa! That was so cool. Okay. Let's do something here. Okay, let me create a cam. Let's go. Let me use a scooter. Then we slide down here. Boom! Whoa! It does do it with the scooter too. Let me go to the sun. Where the tacos. Whoa. You can take yourself with the scooter or something. That. And I want to show you. Boom. Okay. Whoa! Then, OP. You can take your... Whoa! What the hell was that? Okay. Boom. You can take your hoverboard too, so you can take your skateboard, but I don't have the premium pass, so anyways, so you can use it with your hoverboard too. Tell me, only use the first one. This is suspicious. Driving on a boat. That's suspicious. Someone is at the summer camp? That's weird. That's suspicious. I have 1 million. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, you can use your skateboard. You can use it with your bicycle too. So then, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Front flip, double flip. Okay, that's weird. You can take your bicycle too. Whatever bicycle you want. Just see. Okay. Ah! Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Waiting tacos. Boom. See that? Ah! We scan here. Okay, let's use it with the bicycle. So then I'm gonna skateboard. Bicycle day, boy! Okay. Then we use our bicycle. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was so cool. That was so cool. Then teleport to your house. What? What the hell? Then we teleport to Lake Madison. Dun, 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 dun. That was suspicious, man. What was that? Normal van. Suspicious. Normal van has to be suspicious. They put it wrong, so they try to trick them. So then I tow truck it. Tow truck. Boom, 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 boom. Get in the car. Let me in the car. Okay, I can get in. Let me get in my car. There we go. Okay, that's suspicious. Okay, I towed the car to the auto shop. Then I put the van in the plot home. So then that receipt has to be doom. Okay, that is suspicious. They will think that's suspicious. Okay, so then. Okay. Wait, I can see what I'm doing here. So, great jam. And the thing. Okay. Boom. Just go speeding down the highway. Whoa! Suspicious. It's raining tacos. I need to go slowly. Raining tacos. Okay, speed down.
Okay, I got to a stop sign, so I'm stopping here. Okay. He's just standing there for no reason. That's suspicious. To get the van, and it's locked. He is pretending. So then I hook it. And I hook it like this. Boom, boom. Okay, then we do that. What? It's not even connected. Oops. Boom. Boom. I couldn't hook this suspicious. We need. Okay, let me help him too. Okay, he's moving now. He moved his head. Doom, 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 doom. No. Doom, doom. Go away. What the? He says go away. So then, what do you mean go away? He just said go away. He is rude as possible. What does that sign says? Rick ahead. Stop that! Dude, stop. Dude, stop. Okay. I don't want it towed. I'm gonna leave and pretend. Okay, what is he playing right now? He's playing nothing. Okay, so then we join on the Brookhaven server again. Okay, is this Rich? This looks like, who is this? Okay. This rich guy, yes. It has to be a mansion. So then if I be small and then teleport to that mansion. So then if I see that mansion, then I'm going the lake house mansion. Eagle view. There's a lot of houses. Boom, boom. Eagle view. This is I got banned. Okay, I don't want Eco View. So then I will take another mission. So then I will get to Lakeville. Yes. This looks. This is the house. There's lasers. Oh no. North Emma State. When I go to the North Emma State, I'm not going to take that down. Then I sneak, crawl, 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 crawl. So they don't even see my. So I'm going here. I'm crawling faster. No, I'm here early. I'm here to get a dog dead. Do you know why I don't have nowhere to go? Okay, so I'm going to crawl, and sneak, crawl, and going fast crawl. Speeding, crawling, speeding, crawling, speeding, crawling. Tell me in the comment section below what I pressed. I press 3, 2, 1, go. I press a human. If you want to go fast, do you please adopt me? Yeah, but I need to get adopted. So I'm sneaking down the high. F. Okay, I'm sneak. Is she going to get adopted? Where did she go? I'm gonna teleport to. Where is that house? Wait, that house, that's suspicious. Didn't. Whoa, I look like a cat. That was suspicious. Oh, actually. Whoa. That's a house. Oh, little house. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Peace.